What is a thick client application? It is a client-server architecture that offers rich functionality and operates independently on its own operating systems. It comes with two types of architecture, 2-tier and 3-tier. Due to the rise in the hybrid infrastructure, demand for the thick client applications have also increased. This posed serious concerns over its security postures such as insecure storage, denial of service, reverse engineering, clickjacking attacks, and broken access control. Due to its customized nature, it requires a strategic approach. We understand that simple automated assessment scanning is not sufficient for heavy applications. Thus at RSK Cybersecurity, we perform holistic penetration testing to improve the security wall of the thick client applications of businesses across the world. For more information, visit us at rsk-cyber-security.com.